How much does a car wash cost? Explained. When you lack the time, energy, suitable space, or essential instruments to wash your automobile yourself, a car wash is an option. However, that raises the following query: how much does a car wash cost? Each type of car wash has a unique set of tools and techniques for washing or cleaning automobiles. The various equipment and methods result in differing average vehicle wash costs. Prices for car washes vary based on extras, location, and other considerations. The typical cost of a single automatic car wash is from $10 to $25. The cheaper wash is often a basic wash and comes with complimentary vacuums. So, let's learn about the car wash cost. On the top end, the customer ought to be given the greatest wash along with waxing, ceramic coating, and tire shine in addition to a complimentary vacuum. Caliber Car Wash, on the other hand, believes that every customer deserves to receive the best wash possible given their budget, which is one reason why we don't charge more for modern ceramic coating. Each type of car wash has a unique set of tools and techniques for washing or cleaning automobiles. The various equipment and methods result in differing average vehicle wash costs. Automatic car wash compared to the average cost of other vehicle wash kinds, the average automatic car wash isn't too pricey. Prices for basic automatic car washes typically range from $10 to $20. However, you shouldn't use this car wash too frequently as the bristles of the brushes used in automatic car washes have a tendency to chip paint. Large brushes, high-pressure water, and soap jets, and a conveyor for guiding a car toward the washing equipment inside a tunnel structure are typically used in automatic car washes. This procedure makes cleaning your car quick and simple. Touchless car wash. This sort of car wash is similarly mechanized to automatic car washes and more or less has a similar typical car wash cost, which is between $10 and $30. However, one distinction is that it washes vehicles using high-pressure jets and potent chemicals. Compared to automatic car washes, this type has a lesser risk of causing paint damage to vehicles. Hand car wash. A hand car wash often costs between $20 and $30, and it takes longer than an automated car wash. However, its benefits include being gentler on cars because it doesn't scratch them and because it doesn't leave swirls or watermarks after washing. In a hand car wash, a team would typically manually apply soap to a vehicle, scrub away the grime, and carefully dry the automobile. Typically, it would also involve vacuuming and interior cleaning of the car. Full-service car wash. With complete car washing and car detailing, a full-service car wash takes care of the entire vehicle, from the outside to the interior. A full-service car wash can take many hours as opposed to a basic car wash, which would only take a few minutes. It would also incorporate a variety of supplementary cleaning services, premium goods, and apparatus. Therefore, it makes sense that the price is typically substantially greater than for a standard car wash. The full-service car wash with basic detailing includes tire cleaning, tire protectant application, headlight polishing, window cleaning, mirror and trim cleaning, inside vacuum cleaning, and headlight polishing. Indeed, car washes are quite beneficial. However, one may assume that frequent car washing would be too expensive. There are several techniques to reduce the cost of car washes, including frequent washer discount. Automobile owners who frequently have their cars washed by a particular car wash are frequently offered discounts. For instance, if a car owner buys 10 car washes from him, he or she is entitled to a free car wash. Coupons for sales or discounts are frequently sent by car wash businesses. Their coupons are typically available online, on Facebook or their website, in local savings mailers, or in phone books. Monthly subscription for unlimited car washes. Most car washes also provide monthly memberships that include unlimited car washes, which can help you save a lot of money. Typically, it costs $15 to $30. Discounts from gas stations. When you purchase gas, some gas stations that also provide vehicle wash services give customers who buy gas from them a discount. When it comes time to fill up your tank, you can benefit from this discount. Other factors, which are described below, can influence car wash cost in addition to the previously mentioned average car wash pricing. Vehicle size. The larger SUVs and vans would require more work and water to wash, as well as more soap. Thus, the price would often be higher. Expect to pay more for cleaning a large vehicle's components than you would for a small one. Depending on the quantity and caliber of the work, you should tip accordingly. The recommended tip range would be between 10 and 15% of the minimum price. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.